What is the current situation of regulation with regards to printed guns? Is it state by state, or is it federally outlawed? Where are we at with that?
So federally, and most federally, it's generally not illegal to manufacture your own weapon as long as you're not a prohibited person, which means violent felony. So as long as you don't have a violent felony charge, you can make and use your own weapons, but you can't sell them.
Okay.
That's it.
And is that, and are there different states have different rules, or does it just fall into the same gun laws of the rule?
Everywhere needs to follow that rule, but it doesn't matter the state. Different states are trying to infringe on that. There's a couple, I think it's Pennsylvania, maybe California, New Jersey, where they're trying to pass this law where that's illegal to manufacture your own guns. It's unconstitutional, but they're trying.
Why is it against the Second Amendment?
Yeah, it's against the Second Amendment. Well, because I think it's a federal statute that you could own those kind of guns. You can make your own guns. And speaking about Cody Wilson for a second, so it was President Biden supposedly is going to try to do an executive either order or through the ATF, which is our gun agency, the ATF. And they're going to try to say that 80% guns are illegal, which means it's 80% complete and you have to complete the 20% yourself, which is currently legal. So you get a kit and it has the magazine and it's got the lower and it's got the trigger, but it's not assembled. It's just a parts kit. The point is that the Biden administration is going to try to make that 80% gun illegal. But Cody Wilson, he came up with, he has this CNC machine that will take a piece of metal and finish it out to be a gun. Well, he changed it to where you get 3 pieces of aluminum, just solid aluminum like you get it at a hardware store, it looked like, and you can machine that to a gun. So he completely went around that by saying, you're starting out with blocks of aluminum, and I'm still going to be able to make a gun from blocks of aluminum. So with President Biden saying, we're going to eliminate 80%, well, Cody Wilson is at a 0% starting point, and he can still make the guns and go right around this 80% thing. So that's why gun control debate, it's kind of dead. Like, there's no stopping it.